Well, here. They're getting ready to do halftime. Here, talk to her.
Yeah, I think he's feeling guilty about that.
Okay, hold on.
Hi, Wayne.
How are you? We're local. The other team is 1-0 right now.
No.
Well, keep going.
Okay. Yeah! Yes, 3 days. That's a lot of drops you have to do. That's correct.
Oh, good thought. I've been watching her go up and down the hill.
Come on.
Yeah, normally it's
Come on.
3 days before the surgery is when she starts her eye drops. She's going to be doing 4 times a day, and then after the surgery, or she might actually, it might be every 2 hours. I forget.
The pressure.
Yes.
Angel, quick.
Yes, for 2 more days. Yes. Yeah. Right. No, it is. You know, they're antibiotic drops, and those are good drops to have because it's going to fight any type of infection. So don't forget the drops. Do the drops.
Good job.
Yeah, you need to do them.
Outside.
Very important.
Go wide, Angel.
The day after she has surgery, and they'll probably have you slow down on the drops.
Go, Jazzy.
Just continue those drops like they tell
Do
you.
that.
Yes, very quick. Yeah. Right. But it's still in and out. Good. Yeah. Well, don't expect Nona to come out and just saying that she can see. She's got to understand she's just got her eye uncertain. When she comes out, she's got to heal, okay? And it's going to get better. So just tell her to be patient.
Come on.
What's the bounce?
Right.
Go.
Yeah, she'll have to. Yeah, her distance is going to be beautiful. Her reading's not going to be so well. She'll just have to use cheaters.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Everything's the same.
Good job, Zoe.
Yes. It is normal. And just emphasize the antibiotics.
Nice.
Hi, Rosa. How are you?
Pressure.
Don't be afraid. You'll be just fine, Rosa. It's a very simple procedure. And do those drops, okay? You need to do the drops. They are or they're not? Okay, good. Because you might need it. Yeah, you might need it. So you'll be just fine, Rosa. Don't worry. It's a very...
Now it's 45. Go, Jazzy, there's you.
Yeah. First to the ball.
Yes, for a while. You don't want to put your head
Good ball.
below your heart. You don't want to be picking up...
Pressure it.
For at least a month, Rosa. Don't be...
Pressure
relax.
wide.
Have
Pressure.
Wayne wait on you. Yeah, it is very normal. Yes, because you don't want to rupture your arm or anything. It's surgery, Rosa. You got to take care of yourself. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Good job,
Way to go,
Yes,
defense.
it's all normal. You're welcome. You better come in.
Oh, he didn't call that.
Okay, well, here's Vic.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
here's Vic.
That was bad. That is bad.
And he calls that little
It might be your mom.
sissy stuff.
She's nervous.
Wow. My word. That was bad. Why would I go?
Get ready, White. Get ready. Come on, ladies.
Must be 45 minutes.
Hey, that's 45.
Yeah.
I'm not a judge.
I got 46:30 right now.
I went golfing with a ball.